We are not in the feudal era कि राजा जैसा बोले वैसा चले. This is what Justice Gavai said while hearing a case on Uttarakhand Chief Minister Pushkar Singh Dhami's decision to appoint IFS officer Rahul as field director of Rajaji Tiger Reserve. Now, this decision was taken after overruling objections from the Principal Secretary and the Forest Minister. Senior Advocate A.N.S. Nadkarni said the CM was only trying not to sacrifice a good officer. Now, this is what Justice Gavai asked. There is something like a public trust doctrine in this country. The heads of the executive cannot be expected to be all-day kings that whatever they say, they will do. When a specific noting is there right from the first officer, that is the section officer, endorsed by the deputy secretary, endorsed by the principal secretary, endorsed by the honorable minister, that on account of ABC reasons he should not be posted there, you think that despite of that, just because he is chief minister, he can do anything? The judge also added, there is a specific note that departmental proceedings are initiated against him, that CBI inquiry is there and therefore he should not be posted anywhere in the Tiger Reserve. That is endorsed by the Deputy Secretary, that is endorsed by the Principal Secretary and the Forest Minister, and this is all ignored by the Chief Minister. Now, the Indian Express had reported on August 30 that Dhami, ignoring a request from his Forest Minister and Chief Secretary to reconsider the appointment, had handed charge of the Rajaji Tiger Reserve to Rahul, who was removed 2 years ago as head of the Corbett Tiger Reserve after the Uttarakhand High Court took note of illegal tree felling and construction there. Now on Wednesday, as the matter came up before the bench, also comprising Justices P.K. Mishra and K.V. Vishwanathan, following a report submitted by the Supreme Court appointed Central Empowered Committee, Nadkarni submitted that in deference to the court, the order posting Rahul, Chief Conservator of Forest, as the Field Director of the Rajaji National Park has been withdrawn. The court, which recorded his submission, said no order was therefore necessary and closed the proceedings. Now, Nadkarni sought to explain that the Chief Minister had considered all the objections and even the CEC report while giving his assent to appoint the IFS officer. But the court was not impressed. The court told the counsel, "You are trying to justify." Gavai said the Chief Minister had made only a one-line comment when he should have given reasons. Nadkarni said that unlike in a judgment, there is no system of giving detailed reasons in such matters. Justice Gavai, however, said, and I quote, he had to give reasons when he is disagreeing. He is ignoring everything. It's not a judgment, but he has to give reasoning as to why he disagrees with the bureaucrat, the minister. The court added that had the Chief Minister stopped with the Forest Minister's notice and not proceeded further, it would not have gone into all these. Justice Gavai also said that the newspaper reports about the matter were correct. He said, and I quote, there is no error in the newspaper reporting. The report said Chief Secretary and Forest Minister objected, and in spite of that objection, the Chief Minister overruled. Nothing wrong in these reports. For more such stories, keep watching the Indian Express.